If you want to feel awesome all week, listen up, because what you eat can truly transform your energy, your mood, and even your outlook on life. Imagine waking up every day feeling refreshed, motivated, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. That's the power of fueling your body with the right foods. And the best part, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring, bland, or repetitive. In fact, it can be a delicious adventure, one that you look forward to every single day. So whether you're cooking for yourself, sharing meals with friends, or sitting down with family, let's make this week a celebration of flavor, color, and nourishment. Ready to get started? Let's dive into 7 days of mouth-watering, nutritious meals that will keep you feeling your best from Monday to Sunday. I've got 7 days of delicious, nutritious eats coming right up. Each day will focus on a different meal that's not only packed with nutrients but also bursting with flavor. These meals are easy to prepare, use simple ingredients, and are perfect for anyone, whether you're a seasoned home cook or just starting out in the kitchen. Plus, I'll share some tips and tricks along the way to help you make the most of your ingredients and keep things interesting. So grab your shopping list, get inspired, and let's make this week your healthiest and tastiest yet. Day 1. Let's kick things off with a breakfast that's as easy as it is delicious. Overnight oats. If you've never tried overnight oats before, you're in for a treat. All you need to do is combine rolled oats with your favorite milk or yogurt, add a touch of honey or maple syrup, and top it off with fresh fruit, nuts, or seeds. Mix it all together in a jar or container, pop it in the fridge overnight, and wake up to a creamy, satisfying breakfast that tastes like dessert but is actually good for you. Overnight oats are endlessly customizable. Try adding chia seeds for extra fiber, a spoonful of nut butter for healthy fats, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for warmth and flavor. Not only will this breakfast keep you full until lunchtime, but it's also perfect for busy mornings when you need something quick and portable. Plus, making your breakfast the night before means you can hit snooze one more time. Now that's a win-win. Day 2. Let's power up with a rainbow salad. Why a rainbow salad, you ask? Because the more colors you add to your plate, the more vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants you're getting. Think crisp greens, juicy cherry tomatoes, crunchy carrots, sweet bell peppers, purple cabbage, and maybe even some roasted beets or corn. The possibilities are endless. Toss everything together with a simple homemade dressing, olive oil, lemon juice, a pinch of salt and pepper, and you've got a meal that's as beautiful as it is nourishing. Salads don't have to be boring or bland. Add some grilled chicken, chickpeas, or quinoa for protein, sprinkle on some seeds or nuts for crunch, and finish with a handful of fresh herbs for a burst of flavor. Eating the rainbow isn't just good for your body, it's a feast for your eyes too. The more colors, the better. Each color represents different nutrients that your body needs to thrive. Red foods like tomatoes and peppers are rich in lycopene, which is great for your heart. Orange and yellow veggies like carrots and corn are packed with beta-carotene for healthy skin and eyes. Greens like spinach and kale are loaded with iron and calcium, while purple foods like cabbage and beets are full of antioxidants. So when you build your salad, think of it as creating a masterpiece, one that's as good for your health as it is for your taste buds. Day 3. Taco Tuesday, but make it healthy. Instead of the usual ground beef, try black bean tacos. Black beans are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber, which means they'll keep you full and satisfied without weighing you down. Plus, they're super affordable and easy to cook. Just saute some onions and garlic, add your black beans and favorite spices. Think cumin, chili powder, and a dash of smoked paprika, and you've got a flavorful taco filling in minutes. Serve your black bean mixture in whole wheat or corn tortillas, and top with fresh salsa, avocado slices, shredded lettuce, and a squeeze of lime. You can even add a sprinkle of cheese or a dollop of Greek yogurt for extra creaminess. These tacos are so tasty, you won't even miss the meat. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Not only are these tacos packed with flavor, but they're also loaded with nutrients that support your energy, digestion, and overall well-being. Plus, they're fun to make and perfect for sharing with friends or family. Set up a taco bar with all your favorite toppings and let everyone build their own masterpiece. Eating healthy should be enjoyable, and these black bean tacos prove that you don't have to sacrifice taste for nutrition. Day 4. Hump Day Hero. Grilled chicken with sweet potato. By midweek, you might be craving something hearty and satisfying, and this meal delivers. Grilled chicken breast is lean, high in protein, and incredibly versatile. Pair it with roasted sweet potatoes, which are rich in fiber, vitamins A and C, and natural sweetness. To make this meal, simply season your chicken with your favorite herbs and spices. Try garlic powder, paprika, and a touch of rosemary, then grill or bake until juicy and golden. For the sweet potatoes, chop them into cubes, toss with olive oil, salt, and pepper, and roast in the oven until crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Add a side of steamed broccoli or a simple green salad, and you've got a balanced meal that will keep you fueled for whatever the rest of the week throws your way. Simple, filling, and full of fuel. This meal is perfect for anyone with an active lifestyle, or if you just need a little extra energy to power through your day. The combination of lean protein and complex carbs helps repair muscles, boost your metabolism, and keep you feeling satisfied. Plus, it's easy to meal prep. Make a big batch at the beginning of the week and enjoy leftovers for lunch or dinner. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes, the simplest meals are the most nourishing. Day 5. Roll into the weekend with sushi bowls. Sushi bowls are a fun, deconstructed take on traditional sushi, and they're much easier to make at home. Start with a base of cooked rice, white, brown, or even cauliflower rice for a low-carb option. Top with your favorite sushi ingredients: sliced avocado, cucumber, carrots, edamame, and fresh fish like salmon or tuna. If you prefer a vegetarian option, try tofu or tempeh. Drizzle with soy sauce, a little sesame oil, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. You can even add pickled ginger or a dollop of wasabi for an extra kick. Sushi bowls are not only delicious, but they're also a great way to get in a variety of nutrients, including healthy fats, protein, and fiber. All the flavor, none of the fuss. Sushi bowls are perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a fun weekend lunch with friends. Set out all the ingredients and let everyone build their own bowl. It's interactive, customizable, and guaranteed to please even the pickiest eaters. Plus, making sushi bowls at home is much more affordable than ordering takeout, and you can control exactly what goes into your meal. Don't be afraid to get creative with your toppings. Try mango, seaweed, or even a spicy sriracha mayo for a flavor boost. Eating healthy should be exciting, and sushi bowls are a great way to mix things up. Day 6, Saturday Smoothie Party. There's no better way to start your weekend than with a vibrant, nutrient-packed smoothie. Smoothies are incredibly versatile and can be tailored to your taste and nutritional needs. Start with a base of your favorite milk or yogurt, add a handful of leafy greens like spinach or kale, toss in some frozen fruit, bananas, berries, mango, you name it, and finish with a spoonful of nut butter or seeds for healthy fats and protein. Blend it all together for a creamy, delicious drink that's perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even a post-workout refuel. Smoothies are a great way to sneak in extra veggies and superfoods like chia seeds, flaxseed, or spirulina. Plus, they're fun to make with friends or family. Set up a smoothie bar with different ingredients and let everyone create their own signature blend. Day 7, Sunday Stir Fry. End your week on a high note with a quick and easy stir fry that's packed with flavor and nutrition. Stir fries are the ultimate clean out the fridge meal. Just grab whatever veggies you have on hand, chop them up, and toss them in a hot pan with a little oil. Add your choice of protein, like tofu, shrimp, chicken, or beef, and stir fry until everything is cooked through and coated in a delicious sauce. Try a simple mix of soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and a touch of honey or sriracha for a sweet and spicy kick. Serve your stir fry over rice, noodles, or even quinoa for a complete meal that's ready in minutes. Not only is this dish super satisfying, but it's also a great way to use up leftovers and reduce food waste. Pick your favorite veggies, add some tofu or shrimp, and you've got a feast. Stir fries are endlessly adaptable. Use whatever produce is in season or on sale. And don't be afraid to experiment with different sauces and spices. Add some cashews or peanuts for crunch, a squeeze of lime for brightness, or a sprinkle of fresh herbs for extra flavor. The best part? Stir fries come together in under 20 minutes, making them perfect for busy nights when you want something healthy and homemade without spending hours in the kitchen. Eating well is about more than just the food on your plate. It's about enjoying the process, sharing meals with loved ones, and nourishing your body and soul. When you make healthy eating a priority, you're investing in your long-term health, happiness, and well-being. And as you've seen this week, nutritious meals can be vibrant, flavorful, and fun. So gather your friends, invite your family, and make mealtime a celebration. Try new recipes, experiment with different ingredients, and don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. The more you enjoy the process, the more likely you are to stick with it, and the better you'll feel inside and out. See, nutritious doesn't mean boring. In fact, it can be the most exciting part of your day. With a little planning and a willingness to try new things, you can turn every meal into an opportunity to fuel your body, delight your senses, and connect with the people you care about. Healthy eating isn't about restriction or deprivation, it's about abundance, variety, and joy. So embrace the journey, savor every bite, and celebrate the amazing things your body can do when you give it the nourishment it deserves. Try a new meal each day and fuel your body and soul, one bite at a time. Remember, small changes add up over time, and every healthy choice you make brings you one step closer to your goals. So, why not start today? Pick one meal from this week's lineup, give it a try, and see how you feel. You might be surprised at how much you enjoy it, and how much better you feel, both physically and mentally. Here's to a week of delicious, nutritious, and totally satisfying meals. You've got this.